Are you tired of Gmail or Yahoo's intrusive methods and are craving something more user-friendly and secure? Well, look no further than Proton Mail. I am Hemant, you are watching Candid.Technology, and in this video, we're going to walk you through the effortless sign-up process of a free Proton Mail email account. To sign up to Proton Mail, type Proton Mail sign up on Google or head to account.proton.me/mail/sign up and you will see this screen. Now on this screen, enter your username that you want as your password. For example, I will write now, enter the password, enter the password again. Remember that your password must contain block letters, numbers, and special characters. When you are done, click on Create Account. Now Proton will give you an option to select the free account or to subscribe to the Mail Plus system. Of course, when you will subscribe to Mail Plus, you will get some additional benefits for 3.99 euros per month. For this video, we'll click on Continue with Free. No thanks. Now either you can verify yourself either by CAPTCHA or by email. Sometimes when you use CAPTCHA, Proton refuses to recognize you as a human, so we'll go with email. Here you will have to enter a non-Proton Mail email. For example, I'll enter my outlook.com email and Proton will send a verification code to that email. Once you have entered the verification code, click on Verify and you can see a creating your account message displayed on your screen. This means the account creation process is on the way. Let it complete. Now you can enter your display name. I like this name, so I'll click on Continue. Enter your mobile number, or you can click on Maybe Later. Now click on Confirm. Just there are few more messages that Proton will display. Just here's a theme. If you want a dark theme, you can click on Carbon or Monokai. If you want some light colored themes, here's Proton, Snow, Classic. We'll go with Carbon. Click on Next. Email forwarding, we have done a video on email forwarding. You will find it somewhere on the screen. So we'll skip this. Maybe later. And here is your free version of Proton Mail. If you like this video, consider subscribing, press the bell icon, give us a thumbs up and tell us in the comments what other videos you want us to make. To know more about tech, visit our website Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, and this is me, Hemant, signing off.